In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share files and folders externally in SharePoint and OneDrive, 5 minutes. Start by signing into your Microsoft account in your browser. Make sure you're on a secure connection and complete any multi-factor prompts if they appear. Once you're in, look for the App Launcher icon, the small grid in the top corner. Click it to open the Microsoft 365 app menu and then choose OneDrive. This takes you to your cloud files. On the left, open My Files. This is your personal workspace where your documents and folders live. Browse to the specific file or folder you want to share. If it helps, use search or sort by recent to find it quickly. When you've located it, right-click the item and select Share. You can also use the Share button on the top toolbar. Both open the same sharing panel. In the sharing window, first review the link settings. This is important when you're sharing externally. Choose who can use the link, such as anyone with the link, people in your organization, or specific people. For external sharing, specific people is the most controlled option, and you can decide whether to allow editing or make it view only. Some organizations also let you set link expirations or block downloads for extra security. Use those if they're available. Next, type the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can add a short message to give context, like why you're sharing the file or what you need them to do. When everything looks good, click send. Your recipients will get an email with a secure link. Depending on your organization's policies, they may be asked to sign in or verify with a one-time code before they can access the content. If you'd rather share a link directly, say to paste into a chat, choose copy link in the same sharing panel. Before you copy, confirm the link type and permissions so you're not granting more access than intended. For read-only access, turn off editing. Then copy and share the link wherever you need. This same process works in SharePoint. Open your SharePoint site, go to the document library, select the file or folder, and use Share. You'll see the same link options and permissions, so the experience is consistent between OneDrive and SharePoint. As a best practice, share with the least access necessary and review sharing later if requirements change. That's it. You've successfully shared files and folders externally using OneDrive and SharePoint.